Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another speed review video on a new product that I'm super excited to share. I'm so happy and grateful that you're here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the try on portion of today's video. I recently went ahead and picked up this black lash glue eyeliner by the brand Kiss. I was so intrigued by it because I've always had an issue trying to put lash glue on the lash band and then applying it and it not working. So I thought if the liner already has glue and can work as an adhesive, it's really gonna make my applying lashes a lot faster. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out today for you all. This is supposed to be a matte finish, foolproof, easy touch up. How do you use it? You apply it to clean, dry eyelid. And it says before the eyeliner has a chance to dry on your eyelid, immediately apply the Kiss False Lash Strip. So I don't know if it's gonna work out because I do have makeup on my eyes. Like, I would assume you would have makeup on if you're gonna apply this. So I'm not sure why it's saying dry eyelids, free of moisture, makeup. But we're gonna try it with makeup today. I'm actually gonna be using my favorite lashes, which are the Adair Demi Wispies. I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This is what it looks like right here. And so this is what the eyeliner looks like. It looks like more of a marker tip. Yeah, I'm excited to see how these work. Now I'm gonna apply the lash. That was the fastest and easiest application of lashes I have ever had in my entire life. I'm just wowed by how amazing this is. It took me super quick to apply these lashes. You have no idea how long I take to apply lashes. That's why I never apply them. The liner is going to be a little thicker if you push on it, but you can obviously make a much thinner line. So if you want a thinner line, don't push on the liner too much. But I do not mind that. Like, that is so amazing. I'm absolutely in love with it. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and pick up the one that has no color, like just in case I don't want such a thick and bold liner. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the clear one because I'm pretty sure there is a clear one. This is so amazing. Oh my goodness, I give this a huge thumbs up. I am in awe with this product. It is literally the best and easiest way to apply lashes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I obviously am in love with this product. I give it a million thumbs up. It is so amazing. I'll let you know how my lashes wore throughout the day here on the screen or in the description box below. But yes, I'm super excited to have shared this mini review on it. If you have trouble applying lashes, go ahead and get yourself some lash liner glue. It will change your life. Thank you so much for being here, my friends. I am so grateful for you. I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.